She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the May Mani by Me box, and let me just say I've been waiting for this because I saw their live and oh my gosh, the plates are absolutely gorgeous and the polishes, but the plates, oh my gosh, they're just so pretty. So this is what the box looks like here, and we're going to take a look at the card. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty. Step into a garden where beauty blooms and brilliance shines with this month's Garden Gems, inspired by the elegance of sparkling gemstones and delicate florals. This enchanting collection is your invitation to mix nature's soft touch with the dazzle of finely cut jewels. So the two plates there, and then we get two polishes, jeweled petals, which is a rich dark purple shimmer stamping polish. And then sparkling stems is a soft light green cream with delicate shimmer. And then this month we get an art wheel full of gemstones, and they're glass gemstones and they are super pretty. So this is just a little inspo card here. So it's florals, but then it's got, to me, they look like chandeliers. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And they did actually do something similar in one of their Halloween boxes. And yes, I'm so glad that they did it with the floral. It's just so pretty. But look at these. These are glass, so they're not those cheap ones that have like that weird shiny plasticky back. You know, these are actually metal on the back, and then they are glass rhinestones, and you get so many different colors, and they are so pretty. They're all one size, which is fine. So pretty though. Some of the colors I don't have, like that really dark pink. It is so pretty. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at everything right now. I'm going to start with the plates here, but just look at this. I tried to put it in between my lights so you could really see. Look at that. It's like the dangling little gemstones, the flowers. It's got the 4 pointed stars. Absolutely gorgeous. I think my next set, I want to use these plates. And look at, it's got the long image there. I like how they're including a lot longer images for us girls that wear long nails. So yes, I appreciate that. They're just absolutely gorgeous. And then wait till you see the polishes. Look at these, how pretty. This purple is so pretty. I do not have a purple like this. I'll show in a little bit here some polishes that are kind of similar, but not really. This does have that little shimmer in it, and it's just such a pretty purple. I absolutely love it. Very, very pretty. And then this green too is just so different. I love it. Sparkling stems, so pretty. This is perfect for Halloween too, I was thinking. Both of them, the purple and I think I mentioned that later on in the video. But yes, they're so pretty. So yes, this is the closest thing I have, which is Kailua polish here. But yes, this, I love it. It's such a nice purple. I love having different purples. And of course, the lighter one has a different shift in it, like a bluish shift. And so, yeah, I was trying to pull out a couple to see that I don't have anything close to that. So I'm glad to have that purple. And then I did pull a couple of these greenish yellow colors here, but nothing too similar. This one is One in a Melon. Oh my gosh, I'm just off today. And then that brighter one is Trickster. So it kind of fits in the middle. The one that we get in the box today comes in between those two colors. This one's Trickster. And so yes, I am really glad to have this color. I think they're just absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to get everything cleaned up and we're going to go ahead and swatch. And I did leave this in real time. Usually I speed it up, but just so you can see that they are a fast drying polish, but I mean, you don't have to go super, super fast. In my videos, I do speed up just to save time. But yeah, I mean, you don't have to work like, you know, just scrambling everywhere. I mean, yeah, you do need to pick it up a little bit faster. But yes, look at that. Oh, it just looks so pretty over the black and then even the white. And so we're going to do the purple. I just wanted to do this kind of full image here, just so we could see the purple really good. And look at that. How pretty is that? It's just such, oh yeah, sorry, my light. I've been having problems with that new light I got. Something's going on. I got to take it apart and see what's going on. But yes, I'm not going to do a set today because I want to keep my nails on. And I don't really have time to do like a whole bunch of nails on my practice hand. So I'm just going to do one nail today. I love this color, Mom's Pearl. I just showed this in a little Madam Glam haul that I did. And this color is so pretty. I just thought it would look pretty, I don't know, to me kind of with like a chandelier vibe. I don't know. I just think it's such a beautiful color. I just wanted to see what it looked like as a background. And so I decided, yeah, I didn't like the way that one picked up, so I'm just going to wipe it off. And yeah, I did speed up this part just so the video is not too long, but I just wanted to share this box in case if you wanted to get it, because it's just, oh, I just love the plates. And like I said, the polishes too. So I am going to go in and reverse stamp. Just, I think there's only like 2 leaves, and then there's something in the middle that I just wanted to color in with that green. And like I said, this green is just so pretty. So I did outline with the purple. And just to, you know, do something real quick, I had to. I was like, I just have to stamp a design because it's just so pretty. And so I didn't put any sticky base or anything. I did just polish the nail and I didn't even wipe it, but I still had problems a little bit with it sticking. That's why I always have to put a sticky base. Or I even, when I do the second image towards the bottom, I actually put some foil gel, cured it, and it's real sticky. So I think I'm going to start doing that, is using the foil gel, because that seems to work really good. Even Dev said that on the live. They just had a live this past Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. And so yeah, she was even saying that she puts foil gel so the image will stick. Now I'm just showing this. I did outline it, not in white. It was bone white that came in a box a few months ago. And it looks nice with the flower, but like the leaves and stuff, you couldn't really see it against this background. So I wanted to see what it looked like. Again, we're just doing the purple outline, and I'm just filling in the 2 leaves. And then I kind of wanted the flower to have the background color, that pearly color. So I just left it. I didn't fill in the flower. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and stamp it on here. Super cute. Yeah, I just wanted to do one little nail here. I just love the plates. I mean, they're gorgeous. Oh, I need to clean this. Clean this. They're just so pretty. I love this one. That could be a full nail. And then these are just, I love it with the little 4-pointed stars. They're just gorgeous. Yes. Like I said, once I take this off, I might use, I love it. I just need to come up with when I can sit down and really think. I just wanted to do something real quick here. So I'm just going to go ahead and top coat this, and then I'll be back. All right, so this is the finished design here, top coated, just with an old top coat. I just try to use my old top coats, you know, just for like the little practice nails. Absolutely love the background though. I think it's so pretty, and these polishes are absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I just love them. They have that little shimmer. This is going to be good for Halloween. Well, both of them. Halloween, I mean summer. I just love, this is so different. Like I said, I love it. And the purple too. Don't have a purple like this. And then the plates are absolutely stunning. How like the little chandelier with the star. Oh, I just love it. I think they're so pretty. Yes, like I said, I want to do my nails with that once I take these off. So yes, you can check out Maniology. This is a subscription box, but I believe you can, I think you can do like a one-time purchase. I don't know. I haven't looked into that because I've been subscribed for like 3 years. I think this is the 3rd year that I've been getting the subscription box. I absolutely love it. I've never paused it. Every month I've just Loved it. That's how I've grown my polish collection. The plates are gorgeous. So yes, I think it's just so fun to have different plates. You never know when you're going to need a plate, you know, specific plate. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye.